Okay, so before I forget, um, this is really, really powerful. This idea is like, like it's the best. This is what I feel. So the idea is that everything in this world is barely connected. When I say barely, it means in a really good way, like they're connected. So you might have heard of a butterfly effect theory, like, I'm not saying some new stuff, but let me just say it my way. So you might have heard of butterfly effect theory. It says that a butterfly flapping its wings in Japan causes a hurricane in America, right? It's a theory, and it just opens up our mind to possibilities that, okay, things are connected in ways we don't even understand. So where I'm going with this, okay, so let me just tell you that God created things in this world in pairs which we know and which we don't know. That's actually a direct quote from Quran, and um, it's not exact translation, but that what it means. Like, Allah has created things in pairs, things we know and things we don't know, right? So let me give you examples. Male and female, that's the pair we know. Everything in this world has pairs, like animals has pairs, humans has pair, like male, female, everything. Every species has male, female. Now, back in the days, these were the things that we know. Like, for example, sun and the moon, day and the night, summer and winter, autumn and spring. All of these we know at that time. But at that time, we did not know that things like atoms and electrons and protons. We only come to know about it now. So let me just try to connect that with it. So electrons have a pair called positron, not not proton, positron. Electron and positron or anti-electron, and proton has anti-proton, neutron has anti-neutron, and matter has antimatter, and body has soul, and earth has heavens. Like, everything is in pairs, things we know, things we don't know. Even Kaaba, the house of Allah on earth, it has an exact pair in the seventh heaven called Baitul Mamur. That's there. And every day God creates 70,000 angels that revolves around it, do the tawaf, and never to return to that place again. Every day, 70,000 angels every day since the dawn of like this world, billions of years. Like look at the power of God. 70,000 angels in just one day He creates, and that those angels never return. Fresh ones are created. And what we do on this earth, the Kaaba, we revolve around it as well. Look at the connection, look at the symmetry. Like, everything in this world is so connected. Now there's another point I want to make. Like, everything in this world has pairs, right? And these are signs for us to understand, okay, these are connected. Even when you look at solar system, and when you look at the system of atoms and electrons revolve around it, that's a unified thing. That's a connection. That's a sign. So what it extrapolates to is that, okay, everything is in pairs, but God is one. Let that sink in. Now, these signs are telling you something, that everything in this world is in pairs, but God is one. Like, God is unique. Like, if a God is not unique, He's not a God. If, like, I'm coming towards like the shirk thing, like people say like there are multiple gods and all that. How can there be multiple gods if He shares the same exact characteristic of His creation? He is not a God. And another thing is, there's another tangent. Like, if there were multiple gods, it's even in the Quran. If there were multiple gods, they would be fighting with each other. Like, one would say, okay, the sun should rise in the east, and the other would say sun should rise in the north. Like, they would be fighting each other. You would not see so much harmony in the universe. If you don't believe me, just go up in the night, just look at just lie down and look at the stars. It's so calm. It's so silent. Like, look at the harmony. Can't you see the harmony in it? Right? So the other thing is, I want to, like, there's another connection. Just listen to me. Just, you'll have those aha moments. Just listen. Wait till the end. Now, God says in Surah Ikhlas, right? Kul huwallahu ahad. Say Allah is one and only. Allahu samad. He is. He does not need anyone, but everybody needs him. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begets not, nor is begotten. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Now, this last verse, just let me just say it again. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. It means there is none like unto him. It means like there is nothing like him. It means he is unique. Can't you see all these signs are pointing towards one thing? That Allah is one. Everything is in pairs, but Allah is one. He even said himself in the Surah Ikhlas that وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Lam yalid, he said, Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begets not, nor is begotten. He does not have children. He does not have parents. He's one. He's one, and he's one. He's ever living. He was there when there was nothing, and he will be here when there will be nothing. Let that sink in.